don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Once you arrive, there will be a line for health screening. They will be asking you questions if you have symptoms of COVID-19 or you were exposed to it, and then they will let you go once you answer those questions.
Any exposure to COVID-19 in the last 2 weeks?
No.
Last 10 days, any symptoms?
Spanish.
Oh, sorry about
Yeah,
that.
sorry.
No symptoms? No. Alright, you guys take care. Welcome to Manuel. Thank you.
They assist the people in going in and out of the elevator, so you won't clash with them. They will be checking your temperature. All you have to do is look on the camera and they will take your temperature. When you were talking with the customer service, chairs are apart from each other. This game has barriers too. I just went here because it's my birthday and I'm wondering if they are still giving away the free play, and they are, but then I just got $5, so I only have $5 to spend. I usually play a little bit, and then if I get money then we'll eat on the buffet, but then it did not end up well, so I have to go home and no buffet for us. We ended up eating tacos and pupusas near the San Manuel. So this is my birthday. Hit the like button if you also eat in here once you lose on the casino.